downstairs. Let's bounce, Mackenzie. Ready? This is Mackenzie and her bouncer at 6 months old. Let's bounce. Yeah. You want to go again? You want to go again? You want to try it again? Say it. Nana and Poppy, I am in my bouncer. This is my jumperoo. Yeah? All right. Oh, here we go. All right, buddy. Say hi to Nana and Papa.
Hi, Nana and Papa. I miss you.
See you in 2 months.
See you in 2 months.
Okay. Say love you.